If you've been searching for a very simple and budget-friendly black soap recipe, this one is for you. Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this very simple, budget-friendly black soap with just few ingredients. I'm going to begin by shredding the black soap into really tiny pieces. This is my raw African black soap. Shredding it makes it easier to dissolve and also makes it easier to add other ingredients into it since it's in tiny chunks. This is what the black soap looks like after shredding. I'm going to drop the full recipe with all the ingredients and their accurate measurements somewhere within this video, so make sure you watch till the end so that you don't miss it. To dissolve the black soap, you would need a form of liquid. And here I have my honey. This is raw organic honey. I'll be using this to dissolve the black soap, but if you're really on a budget, on a very tight budget, you can also use your rose water or distilled water. They also work fine. So I'm going to add the honey into the black soap. I'll make sure that the honey covers the black soap very well. And now I am choosing to use two different liquids to dissolve my black soap. I'm also going to be using glycerin, my vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin will also add moisturizing benefits to the black soap. If you're going to dissolve your black soap using water, you have to add very little quantity, because if you add too much water, it's going to become a very liquid black soap. So now I'm just going to combine everything together so that the black soap sits very well in the honey and glycerin. You don't have to use both honey and glycerin at the same time. You can choose to use only honey or only glycerin or just your distilled water or rose water. After mixing everything together, now I'm going to leave this to sit for a while so that the black soap dissolves very well, and then we'll bring it back and add our ingredients. So the black soap has been sitting for about 2 hours, and as you can see, it is dissolved now. It's going to be easier to add our other ingredients into this. And as you can see, the black soap is not too hard and it's also not too watery. The very first ingredient I'll be using in this very simple black soap recipe is shea butter. Shea butter is very affordable. It helps to moisturize the skin. It softens and smoothens the skin. It helps you have a younger and healthier skin. Next, I'll be using coconut oil. This is a very budget-friendly black soap, so I'm using coconut oil, which is very affordable. It moisturizes and softens the skin. You can also use any other carrier oil that is affordable for you. I'm going to start by combining the shea butter and coconut oil together, and then I will dissolve them together using the double boiling method. Just drop it in a pot of boiling water and it will dissolve just like this. And now I'll go ahead and add the melted shea butter and coconut oil into our black soap. This black soap is going to come out so amazing. Next, I'll be adding in turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property. It can help with toning and brightening of the skin. It can help you revive dull skin. Turmeric powder has endless benefits, so I'll be adding it into the black soap as well. Turmeric powder is also very affordable. I have a tutorial on how to make your own turmeric powder at home. I'll leave the link in the description box. Next, I'll be adding in orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is rich in vitamin C. It has anti-aging property. It can help to brighten and lighten the skin and also moisturize and hydrate the skin. I also have a tutorial on how to make orange peel powder at home. I'll drop a link to the video in the description box. Another inexpensive ingredient I'll be using to make this black soap is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is also very cheap and affordable. It helps to nourish the skin. It can help increase skin elasticity. It reduces the appearance of scars. It can help exfoliate the skin and also prevents the skin from sagging. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and subscribe for more videos. Next, I have my camwood powder. This is one of my favorite powders to use in black soaps. Camwood powder can help regulate blood circulation. It helps to brighten and remove blemishes. It contains antioxidants. It can help with sunburn. Yes, camwood powder is really excellent for sunburn. Now after adding in all the powders, it's time to mix everything together. I'm going to give this a very good mix so that our powders and the oils and the butter we added in can really incorporate into the black soap. Mix well so you can enjoy all the benefits of the ingredients we already added in. As you can see, our black soap is already coming into shape and it looks a little more softer because of the shea butter and coconut oil we added in previously. As you can see, it's looking beautiful already. Before I go ahead to add my final ingredients, let me just let you know some other beautiful powders you can add into your black soap. There is neem powder, there's moringa powder, there's oats powder, carrot powder, lots and lots of them you can add into your black soap. Next, I'm adding in my vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant. It will help prevent oxidation. And next, I'm adding in my fragrance. I am using strawberry fragrance. You can choose any other fragrance you like, and you can choose not to add fragrance to yours. And then I'll also add in my Jamal Plus preservative. You can use any other preservative. This is to prevent the black soap from going bad. Once again, I'm going to give my black soap a very good mix, and trust me, this black soap, it already looks so beautiful and you cannot imagine how well and how good it feels on the skin. I'll give it a very good mix so that all my last set of ingredients combine well. Now it's time to pack our black soap into our jar. This black soap is really budget friendly. It will not take so much to make this black soap. With just few ingredients, you can make this black soap. And this black soap will help to cleanse the skin. It will help to moisturize the skin. It will help to brighten and even skin tone as well. And here is the full recipe as promised. Here are all the ingredients used in this budget friendly black soap and their accurate measurements. You can take a screenshot and feel free to replicate it. Also, remember to check the links in the description box for the tutorials on how to make turmeric powder and orange peel powder at home so that you can make them yourself at home and save cost. And that's exactly how to make our very budget friendly cheap black soap. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. The ingredients to make this black soap will not cost you so much, and you will still have a very beautiful and amazing black soap. If you watched this video till this point and you loved watching this video, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoyed watching the video. Also drop a comment, ask your questions, and I will definitely answer them. Also make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on more amazing content like this. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye.